Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I just wanted to show you a couple of bargains that I've picked up recently. The first one is this fantastic baby bamboo double knit. It's from Sidar Snuggly. Well, it's by Sidar Snuggly. It's by Sidar and it's called Snuggly. And it is super soft. It's a wool and bamboo blend. So what they do is they use bamboo to make a type of viscose. Let me just, as far as I'm aware, and it's a DK. It looks pretty narrow for a DK, but it's so soft. I can't wait to use it, and it's in this gorgeous olive green. And you won't believe how much I got this for. 50 grams there is, and it's 80% bamboo, 20% wool. Smells delicious. I got this. Where's the shade? I can't see properly. I'm sure it was olive green that I bought. Anyway, it doesn't say. It says the shade number, but not the shade colour. So this I got for £1. Can you believe it? £1 of this gorgeous high quality bamboo. Bamboo is really good for making clothes because it's very breathable and cool, and for little baby things. So I got 10 balls of this because I'm going to make something really cute out of this. So that was my first one, and that's from the Wool Factory. I'll link them below. They've got a great sale on at the moment. They've got some amazing offers. It's just such a good time to stock up on bits and bobs from there. And they've got a really wide range of things on offer as well. They've got eyelash yarns, they've got DKs. And then I've got this little haul from Marriner yarns. Now, everybody knows that I like Marriner yarns because they're such good value. And I got this little haul of chunkies because I've been using chunky yarns just lately because of this Ben's Beanies project. If you don't know what Ben's Beanies is, it's a little charity project that is being run to make. It's got a challenge to make 100 beanie hats in over either by crochet or knitting over the course of a 3-month period. It's in honour of my nephew Ben, who died in December 18, and it's just he was collecting things for the homeless when he died of diagnosed type 1 diabetes, and it's just to gather some hats up to give to the homeless on the anniversary of his death. So if you want to join in with that, I'll link that below as well. You can join in with that anywhere in the world you are. You can either send your beanies when they're finished to us, or you can distribute them in your local area and just send us a photograph and tell us how many you made so we can add them to our total. You can share patterns, you can share tutorials on there. You don't have to stick to our pattern, you can do whatever you like. I'm actually going to film a video in a minute of a pattern that I picked up online from Mango Tree Crafts or something, I think it's called, but you'll see that later anyway. So Marriner yarns are just so inexpensive. £1.25 for 100 grams of this lovely super soft chunky, and I've used this to make all sorts. I've used it to make clothing, I've used it to make bags, I've used it to make cushions, I've used it to make blankets, rugs. If you double it up, you can make a gorgeous chunky, super chunky rug. However, Marriners do a super chunky as well, and I think it might even be the same price. This is £1.25 a ball for 100 grams. That is just amazing, and it's, like I say, it's lovely and soft, and they've got these lovely colours, lovely sort of modern tones in at the minute. So they've got this gorgeous mustard, I think, yeah, it's just got a shade number, which is 136. But this mustardy colour is just so popular at the moment. And then there's this lovely grey, nice slate grey. It's almost got a little marley texture to it. There's like a slight hint of a lighter grey in there, silvery grey. And then there's this lovely sort of versatile oatmeal colour, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I am going to actually be doing a giveaway of these 3, not these exact 3, but I've got more of them. So these 3 shades in the chunky, as soon as we hit 50 followers on Ben's Beanies, I'm going to give away 3 balls of this to anyone in the UK. It's just, I can't post outside of the UK because it's always a nightmare. Things never get there. They impose duties which are ridiculous. So I'm sorry, but I'm just going to have to stick to within the UK. But yeah, these three balls will go to the first. Will go to a random person once we hit 50 subscribers on the Ben's Beanies channel. So they're gorgeous. And then I got a couple of sort of Christmassy sort of colours, if you like. I got a nice red for a Christmassy colour. I'm going to do a couple of red hats with that one. And then this colour, this isn't a Christmassy colour, but I just wanted to see what it looked like in the flesh, because I am a real fan of turquoise shades and tealy shades. And I saw it, I think it was a new edition, and I thought, I haven't seen that one before. I'm going to see what that's like. And I thought maybe it's a green. Actually, on camera, I'm just looking in the screen there, it does look very sort of Christmassy green, like a jadey green, holly green, but actually it's not. It's, in real life, it's got more blue in it, so it's more sort of mermaidy turquoisey tail kind of colour. That's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so these 3 will be in the giveaway, and we're going to make something with the others as well. But I just thought I'd share that with you. £1.25. So £6.75 this cost me. I think it cost me less than a tenner altogether with postage. And postage was really good. It came the day I ordered it. It's Saturday today. Came today. I ordered it on Thursday. So yeah, and that was just standard delivery. The Wool Factory came the next day, and that again, that was standard delivery. Okay, so and that's the first time I've ordered something from the Wool Factory, and it won't be the last. I'll definitely be ordering more from there. Right, so thanks for joining me, and I'm going to move on and make something now. So if you follow my channel, or if you don't, just subscribe, and you'll see when I post up the video of what I'm going to make next. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.